The outside is so cute. The outside doesn't look like it goes with the inside. So the inside is more like, you tell some stuff is older, needs to be switched out, painted. So that's first things first. The floors are gonna be done, and the walls of all rooms and areas are gonna be painted. So that's gonna have a dramatic effect. Anyways, after we do that, if we don't do anything else, the goal is to get the floors done, walls painted, and a couple of appliances needs to be switched out and bought. We're gonna start with that. Like I said, doors and stuff are gonna be changed. We'll just go ahead, because I do need to get some lights and stuff put in my name over there. Water, gas, stuff like that needs to be put in my name. I'm absolutely feeling the Pipe Down song by Drake. I'm absolutely feeling it.
Life-threatening emergency. Please hold for our menu options. If you're a residential customer, say residential or press 1. If you're a commercial customer or landlord, say business. We recognize that many customers are impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic, so we are offering more flexible options to place a new order to start, stop, or transfer service. Say new order or press 2. To continue, you'll need to speak to a representative. Let me check if someone is available.
I'm here at the water place. Go in here and help me get the water transferred into my name at this house. So we're gonna go get this done, and y'all get to see the house after.